Want to know how to create AI agent that plays a game or that creates a game? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can just simply create a game to an AI agent in just a few clicks. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, what you need to do is you need to just simply open up this AgentGPT website right here. Just simply head towards agentgpt.rework.ai and you should be right here. Now, once you're there, on the leftmost side, you should be seeing various options, and right below pages, you should also be seeing templates. Just simply select that. So now, once you have selected templates, here you should be seeing the templates available. So you can just simply sort your templates, or you can just simply scroll down and find it. So right here is platform GPT. You need to select this for games. So this is what it does. So it simply codes a platformer game with popular characters and much more. So you can just simply see the name and the goal has been added. Now you can just simply select this play button right here and it should start playing, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of similar videos. See you in the next one.